everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do another advent calendar. Tomorrow is December 1st and I want to have this ready for the kids. As you know, I make an advent calendar for the kids every year, and I have several that I've done so far, which I will leave at the end of this video, those videos of kid-friendly advent calendars. This year I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be making these little pockets like this. I'm making 24 of them because we do from day 1 to day 24. So I took some cardstock that I had, just kind of, I think this is a 40 weight cardstock, not very heavy. You don't have to use cardstock. You can use construction paper or regular paper. It's totally up to you. I like to use the cardstock just because it's a little bit sturdier for the projects that I use. So what I did was I cut these squares out. I cut them by five by 5. No, not 5 by 5. I cut them 5.5 by 4 1/4. So to get these squares. Now what I did, I just kind of folded it in the back and then folded it up. I used some tape. And then after I fold all of these, I'll show you how to put the numbers on and how to add cute little decorations. So for this project, basically all you need is cardstock, construction paper, regular paper. You can also do this with felt or fabric. It's totally up to you. This is just an idea of what I'm going to be doing. And then when we're finished, I'm going to be placing them on this lace ribbon that I have, and it's going to go across the wall, and I'm going to use some command hooks that I have to keep it up. So let's get started. So like I said, I took these pieces of paper here and I just kind of folded it over. You can make yours even. You can have yours to where it closes all the way. I'm just kind of meeting mine in the middle. So basically what I did is just folded it over. I'm going to tape it and then I'm going to fold it up so it can hold whatever I put inside of it. Just like this. And you can also use hot glue if you don't want to use tape or anything like that to hold this down. That would probably work as well. Or what I'm wishing I had is double-sided tape. But you have kids, they use your stuff. So yeah, I just went ahead and placed the tape just like that. But I kind of open it a little bit because I don't want it to stick to the other side. You can probably use glue too. I'm pretty sure that will work well. But again, that's totally your choice. This is just a suggestion. I just did like that. And then take the tape to hold the sides down. And it doesn't have to be perfect, guys, because kids don't care about perfection. They just care about the treat inside, right? And that's the fun part of it. So as you can see, we have our pockets. So I'm going to go ahead and make the rest of these, and then we'll get into putting the numbers on. Okay, everyone, so we have made all of our pockets like I showed you. So I have the little letter grid here in numbers. So for this particular project, there's going to be 6 in each row. And I'm just using Sharpies. I have a blue one. I'm going to start with the blue. If I run out of blue, I'll use the black. We're just going to put the numbers on here, and then you can decorate it. And once you get it decorated, you can go ahead and place it 6 in a row, like I said, across on your lace or string, or you could use whiteboard or whatever it is you want to use to make yours. Like I said, I'm using the lace ribbon that I have. That's kind of not centered, but I don't think my kids are going to care. So I'm going to do that, and then I have here also wax paper for the mess. I'm going to make a mess. So hold that down like that. I have some glitter, and what I'm going to do is just put here some little decorations, like maybe little snowflakes And again, you can do this with regular glue, or if you have like those glue sticks, glue glitter sticks or whatever. And that one just came out totally jacked, but who cares? All the kids are going to care about is the treat inside anyway. And I love doing stuff on paper like this because you can just fold it and put that glitter right back in the container. So that's kind of messed up a little bit. I'll fix it on the other ones, but basically that's what I'm going to do, is kind of just decorate the little pocket here before I put the candy inside. So I have 23 more of these to do, and once we finish that, I will go ahead and show you how I'm going to put it across my lace. Now that we have all of our numbers done, it's time for the glitter. So as you can see, we have a lot of our numbers done. I'm actually on the last number, and I want to make this one really sparkly since it's the last day. Whoa! See? You know, and it doesn't have to be perfect. That's the beauty of doing your own crafts, is that you could just make it look however you want. I'm gonna put little circles here. This actually helps because I can give these things different dimensions and sizes and things like that, you know. I love it. I'm going to put just a few more circles on here, and then we'll be all done decorating our numbers. And you can decorate yours however you want. I would really love for you guys to share your photos with me on Instagram. Just tag me, you know, at Nika Womack. And I would just love to see your creations. Best part about using hot glue is that it doesn't take forever to dry. And that's what I love about it. And you can always put the glitter that's fell out or that's on the paper back into the container, which is another reason I love using paper and parchment paper when doing crafts and things like that, minus the glitter I got on my floor. So our next step is to lay out the, I'm sorry, I just had a brain fart. So the next step is to lay out the lace and place these. I think I'm going to hot glue them to the lace, and maybe I could reuse these again next year. So let's get into that part. Okay everyone, so this is what it looks like. I just have it all laid out right now. I haven't glued it on yet, but I just wanted to place it. So what I'm going to do is put the glue on, and then I'm going to get my command hooks and hang this on my wall. But I ran out of my antique lace. As you can see, I only have 3 strands of it, and then on my 4th strand I'm using like a burlap ribbon. I thought I had more of the antique lace, but I don't, but that's okay because it still looks nice. It goes well together. And also, as you can see, when it comes down to 23 and 24, those 2 days are significantly different than the other days, but I wanted to make it like that. And then the 24th is really has a little bit more decoration than the rest, but I tried to, you know, switch it up a little bit so everything isn't the same. So each row has its own different kind of pattern. of course, until you get down to the last row, and it's quite different for the 23rd and 24th. So I hope all of you like this video. I will take a picture of what it looks like once I get it on the wall, but basically this is how it will sit. You could put yours up with nails, or like I'm going to use command hooks. Those always work so well for me during the holidays. This was really simple, really quick, really easy, something that kids can also help you do. The decoration was pretty easy, putting the numbers on. You could use stencil like I did, or you could use felt numbers, stickers, whatever you fancy will work for this particular project. And like I said, I do advent calendars every year, so I do have 3 to 4 other advent calendars that I have already done on my channel. So if you're new and you haven't seen those, I will post those on the end screen so that you can check those out as well. And those, again, are kid friendly. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up so I know what kind of videos you like to see. If you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click the bell so you get notified every time I upload. I do know that YouTube is having problems, or I don't know what's going on with the bell, but a lot of people do not get notified when I upload. But just so you know, I try to upload every 2 to 3 days a week for now. Things will change in the coming year. So until next time. Oh, I did want to tell you guys that I will be doing Vlogmas again this year. I know a lot of bigger YouTubers are staying away from Vlogmas because they pretty much vlog every day. I don't. So starting tomorrow, December 1st, I will be starting Vlogmas. So look forward to that, because you will get to see a lot more of me, the kids, and possibly my husband if he comes in, and you will probably see a lot more of my older children as well. Make sure you are following me on Instagram, because that's where I post all of my uploads from everything that I'm doing. And until tomorrow, bye!